Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Tghz. Tghz is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be damaged by this ransomware. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Tghz ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. So people may restart their computers and suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they can no longer access their files. This ransomware is called Tghz because it encrypts files and appends this Tghz extension additionally to the file names. So it's not possible to use these files anymore. Very soon you'll see the results and the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So as I said, Tghz is the extension appended to the file names. The ransomware then tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it gets installed, start investigating your system. So Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Please pay attention to the features of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. But Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. Nevertheless, it is powerful enough to detect this ransomware and other types of ransomware threats. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always get your data protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.